Been 2 weeks since the last video, and I wanted to share the updated results. Remember, we disputed a whole bunch of things on Factor Trust, which is owned by TransUnion. So now let's take a look at the updated results. As you can see, my disputes are right here. Not my email, not my phone, false amount, frequency, false amount. And here's the action taken, resolved, 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 no action taken, no action taken, resolved, resolved, no action taken, resolved, resolved. Now, here's something interesting. These are inquiries. Big picture loans got this resolved, which means it's no longer going to be on the credit file. Plain green loans got this one resolved as well. The only one that was no action taken was this one, opportune. And we'll get to that one a little bit later. Now, let's look at some other information. All these collections that I disputed. Resolved, excellent. And let's go look at all this. Beautiful. So as you can tell, these are my disputes and these are the resolutions. Now I'm going to show you the updated file in just a second, but I'm just going to scroll all these updated results for you guys to see that we were able to get a whole bunch of stuff taken off of the credit file. This is exciting. Now, let me pause this and show you another area of the credit file report. Okay, over here where it says notes, now it says, please be advised that you're entitled to an updated copy of your credit report. This can be obtained online by visiting factortrust.com and logging in. We're going to do that in a second because we're going to dispute actual more information. Now, some things remained on the report. According to these notes, we go down here. We have opportune that remained, a address that I don't live at remained, my monthly income of $1 remained. If I go panhandle right now on the corner and collect $1 per day, I'm going to panhandle $30 in a month, so this monthly income is inaccurate. Then it says opportune stayed on here, my payroll frequency monthly, and a cash advance and a loan status. Now let me pause the video, and what we're going to do now is we're going to log in and dispute a lot of new information, and I'm going to provide to you some keywords that we're going to search for in order to make our disputes. So let's pause the video. Okay, we logged in. So the loan status right here, they have me as past due, and I just wrote current, never late, always on time, pays as agrees. So I'm going to go ahead and dispute that one. Okay, so I have here a list of keywords that I'm going to use in order to search the credit report and then dispute using these word categories. So the first one is worse. So let's do a Control F on the browser and look for worse. Now we have here number of 90 days past due or worse items ever, excluding medical 11. And what I put for that is collection summary shows 0. Now, as you can see here, we have 6 instances of it. So let me see if I got all of them. Paid as agreed for a couple of the other ones. Under worse, excellent. One of them shows 0, so I didn't have to touch that one. Continue on. And I want to comment on every single one of them. Now, the next keyword is going to be worst. So here we go again. And make sure that the word worst, there you go, I wrote unknown, perfect. Worst rating on installment trades in the past 12 months. I missed one, so I'm going to go and write unknown. Okay, and let's continue. This one has no trades of this type. Good. Unknown, and the last one is unknown. Excellent. Doing well so far. Past there, I actually want to include due, because if I just do past, there's going to be 304 instances of it. So past due, now there are only 61 instances. Let's do a quick check to see, and we're looking at this number to see if there's going to be anything greater than 1. So let's just go through it quickly. There you go, paid as agrees. Okay, zeros, 1, No open types. See if I didn't miss any. 0, excellent. We're about a third of the way through. Just go through them quickly. And okay, no trade types, perfect. 0. Okay, past dues, very few. And the ones that I do have, I'm disputing. And I think we are good to go for past dues. Excellent. All right, perfect. Now the last one is the link. The link, 23 instances. Okay, month since most recent bank installment delinquency. I'm going to write unknown on this one. And let's continue. No event, no event, no trade type, no delinquencies, no event. Pay disagrees, no delinquencies. Okay, excellent. And we're done. Now I'm going to go all the way to the bottom and submit. Okay, next. And confirm. And there you go.